What's good in it? It's your boy Just Jake. Currently, I just woke up, but I got a little email notification that the greatest box in professional boxers has been delivered, and I'm talking about that's my pro wrestling crate. It's here. Oh yeah! This month's theme is tag teams back again. I'm very excited. But next month's theme is women of wrestling. Now that crate is getting awesome. Let's bust into pro wrestling crate for May 2018. If you guys would love to start a two-person crate, link will be in that description below. Every other unboxing I've done since June of 2017. Click that at the end of the video. First, let's get into it. What has Rosemary got for us this time? Okay, so next month's theme is, of course, Women of Wrestling, featuring Lita, Shayna Baszler, Rosemary, Vicky Guerrero, Tennille Dashwood, aka Emma, Luna Vachon, Kelly Kelly, Candice LeRae, and Tessa Blanchard. That, boom. Let's start off with the first shirt, guys. Now, this shirt is pretty cool. It is, of course, Kenny Omega, Kota Ibushi, the Golden Lover shirt. I love this shirt. This shirt is actually pretty cool. I like it. Especially this part down here. I love this shirt. This shirt, 5 stars. We're off to a good start, guys. Next shirt. Now, I have to do my research on this tag team because I don't know who they are, but it is Faces of Fear. There's a pretty badass shirt. The skull is awesome. I like it. God damn, I'm tired. Yeah, you got the Faces of Fear shirt. That shirt getting a 5-star rating. What the hell? Oh, now this is pretty cool. The Rock and Roll Express earbuds. That is pretty damn cool. I like that. Oh man, this is sweet. This is sweet. These are pretty cool. I like them. This is very, very cool. We've never had these ever in person crate. Interesting. The microwave roller. It has completed the sets. I'm talking about Road Warrior Hawk. We got we got Animal in I believe the factions crate. Now we got Road Warrior Hawk. Fuck's gonna have his silver plastic doesn't tell you. Bam. That is awesome. Love this. This is pretty cool. Now here you go. Next Oh god damn. Oh man. Go next Road Warrior Animal. Now, this month's DVD, I was lucky enough to meet this tag team a couple months ago at World Series of Wrestling. I'm talking about Jay and Mark Briscoe, the Briscoe brothers. High Spots Wrestling Network presents a complete moron's guide on how to man up. The Briscoe brothers, Jay and Mark, they're cool dudes. So we walked into the meet. All I did, I walked into the meet with my friends, and then all of a sudden, no one cared about the Briscoe brothers. So let's go and meet those guys. So we did. They were awesome. Love those guys. Follow them on social media. What the fuck? Oh my god, this sticker. I've had a sticker since Stat Favorites. I'm talking about the best tag team in the whole entire fucking world. Nick Jackson, Matt Jackson, the Young Bucks. Hell yeah. This is too sweet. Boom! The Super Kick Party Tag Team Champions. I actually like this because look at their veins. That is like jacked. It's like damn. got money coming out because the YoungBucksMerch.com. Yeah. Now on to the pin. The pin for this month. We got. Did I get something a couple months ago? Yeah, we got this. Got this coaster a couple months ago. Now we have the pin. Chucky T and Trent Beretta, best friends forever tag team. So now we got these two items. I like it. This one came a couple months ago, and I have no idea. I have to watch it about. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Now, the last item in this month's tag team back in crate is autograph. Here's the thing. Oh, might have two here. Nope. We just got one. Here's, of course. Here comes the axe. Here comes the smasher. The demolition. I don't know their things, guys. Until half asleep. Just wake up. Got the little email notification. It's been delivered. Yeah. Here comes the axe. And smash. Demolition autograph. I'm gonna give this crate 10 out of 10. I like it. I like this crate. The autograph is cool. It's gonna go next below the Candice LeRae autograph. This crate, guys, was fantastic. Let's just quickly do a little bit of a recap. So we got the Axe and Smash, the Demolition autograph. How cool is that? We got the best friends Trent Beretta and Chuck Taylor pin. The Road Warrior Hawk Micro Brawler. The Young Bucks sticker. I like that. The Rock and Roll Express earbuds. Boom. A complete moron's guide on how to man up the Briscoe brothers interview. This is going to be pretty sweet. I'm actually going to watch this now once I've done this. There you got our shirts. You got the Faces of Fear shirt. Boom. And of course we got Kenny Omega, Kota Ibushi, the Golden Lover shirt. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Please like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Peace.